Welcome, listeners, back. So, we are going to learn about all the SERP features in this video. So, first one is featured snippet. So, what exactly featured snippet is? So, featured snippet show a snippet of content. So, snippet of content is what exactly a small description. That's it. It can be a paragraph, list, or a table. So, the content from one of the top ranking web pages. So, they are usually displayed at the top of the search engine result page, although other results sometimes appear above them. So, you can see this pictures. So, in this picture, you can see some pictures came, and some instructions also came, right? So that is what exactly called as snippet. So guys, it can be a paragraph, a list, table, or a picture or video, etc. So not all feature snippets are text. So Google sometimes show videos, etc. So you can see, if you type something, how to write a check, then the first snippet would be a video, how to write a check in YouTube. So maybe you have seen those kind of snippets, different types of snippets. So it's a kind of a search engine result page feature. Okay. So another question is, so people ask me like, sir, how can I be featured in a search engine? So as a person, they have to brand themselves. There are different methods. So this is my search result. So can you appear in featured snippets? Yes, you can. You can be. How? So yes, most of the time Google pulls the snippet from one of the top 5 result. So if you are already ranking in the top 5 of for a query and Google shows a featured snippet, it may be worth optimizing your page to try to appear there. So you have to at least start a website, or you have to featured in Wikipedia. Definitely your a snippet will be shown. You can see my knowledge graph on the right side. You can see my organic results. Videos, if you can upload more videos, more content on YouTube or other mediums, definitely a small snippet will come. Or if somebody is again typing or searching your video, definitely that video will come first. It is called as snippet. Okay. And snippet is a part and parcel of search engine results. So it's one of the feature of a search engine result. So next we are learning about a knowledge card. So when you type the age of Aishwarya Rai's daughter, definitely this kind of a knowledge card will come. On the right side you can see knowledge graph also. So Aishwarya Roy's daughter's name is Aradhya Bachchan, and she is 8 years old, and other details also there on the right side. Other suggestions also, people who also search for other people. So this is what exactly knowledge cards appear at the top of the SERP and offer a short defined answer to the query. They come in various formats also. Okay, I show another format. See, Indian dollar, Indian INR and dollar rates. This is another kind of a knowledge card. So there are 3 main sources of data for knowledge cards: Google Knowledge Graph, data partners, and other high trusted sources like Wikipedia and official government bodies. So from these three, uh, I mean like uh, three sources only, Google will take the data. Again, another question will come: can you appear in knowledge cards? Unlikely, since data is pulled exclusively from Google on the trusted third party sources appearing in knowledge card. So it is not possible until and unless you have to be listed in Wikipedia or any other official trusted website, or Google has to feature you. So next is knowledge panel. So what exactly knowledge panel? So knowledge panels provide information about the main subject of the query. They usually appear near the top of the search engine result page on mobile and on the right hand side of the desktop, etc. You can see this. Like a knowledge cards, most of the data is knowledge panel comes from the knowledge graph. So you can see some trusted sources like a Wikipedia and Wikidata is indeed needed. So you can see VidyaBox. So knowledge panel is there. So in knowledge panel you can see there other social media links also comes. So if we click on that link, you can get into VidyaBox official page. So that is a different kind of knowledge panel. Okay, different kind of knowledge panel. Here I have given another knowledge panel. So I typed Apple, then Apple knowledge panel came with some their social links and all, and people who also search for other Amazon, Best Buy, etc. So related searches also came. Here also I got a related searches for VidyaBox. So the question is, can you appear in the knowledge panel? Yes. Google shows branded knowledge panel for companies in the knowledge graph. So these usually include a direct link to company's website and links to social profiles. That's it. That is enough. If you have a website, that would be nice. No need of a Wikipedia or other Google trusted websites, third party websites. If you have a good YouTube channel, if you are a verified Facebook, have a verified Facebook page, definitely your knowledge panel will come and appear over here. Okay, your social presence or social media presence will also feature there. So your company logo can also show up in competitors knowledge panel. You can see this Microsoft. When I type Microsoft, I got Apple also, Apple, IBM and all, Sony and all. So it will be there. So that is what exactly knowledge panel. It is a feature of a search engine result page. Okay, different kinds of a result by search engine with the algorithm, page rank algorithm. Okay, this page rank algorithm will decide what kind of a result should be given to the query. Another is image pack. I just typed beer cans. You can see I didn't get any kind of explanation. Instead of that, I got the pictures. So image pack shows a handful of thumbnails, and clicking on them takes you to the Google image. They often appear at the top of the SERP, but can appear further down the page also. So you can see this. Can you appear in image packs? Yes, a kind of images from your website can show up. So but the link will always take the searcher to Google image, not your website. Okay, so Google, it becomes a Google image, and from Google image it will take to the search result. However, once they click through the Google image, they will get into your website. So that is what exactly you can see this website. beer cans website. Okay, so that is what exactly happening. It won't directly leads to your website, but again one more click is needed. So next one is top stories that we'll learn in the next video. Thank you.